Peter with AAA Truck Center again, continuing on this 2021 Volvo that was towed in that would not start. You guys saw the video that we had where the fuel was going inside by the injector. We actually pulled the rockers off the vehicle, inspected it, and we found for the injector, hold down broke came off. This vehicle was towed from a different shop and they couldn't figure out what the issue was. So after a little further diagnostics, this is what we found. And for this customer, it's going to cost them 5 hours labor. Is approximately $500 by us, and probably O-ring set $30. And I had one bolt laying around that I'm going to give to the customer at no charge. So overall, he should be right around $600 for this repair. That could have been somewhere else thousands and thousands of dollars. When you come see us, you know, we're not going to rip you off. We're just going to fix the problem reasonably. We're also going to drop his oil and put a new oil filter on there. Fresh oil, because the fuel was the oil was contaminated with fuel. So that's what we're gonna do. Once we get it started, we'll send another video.